Can you buy fractional shares on Fidelity? Fidelity offers the option to purchase fractional shares, a feature that allows investors to buy portions of a stock or exchange-traded fund, ETF, rather than whole shares. This service, branded as Stocks by the Slice, makes it possible for individuals to invest in high-priced stocks like Amazon or Tesla with as little as $1. The introduction of fractional share trading by Fidelity in early 2020 has significantly expanded access for retail investors, especially younger individuals and those new to investing. The flexibility of fractional shares offers numerous advantages. It enables investors to diversify their portfolios even with limited capital. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who wish to own a mix of high-value stocks without committing substantial amounts of money. Fidelity's service supports real-time trading during market hours, and customers can execute market or limit orders through its platform. The integration of fractional share trading across different account types, including IRAs and health savings accounts, HSAs, makes it versatile and suitable for various financial goals. On the downside, fractional shares come with limitations. Investors who hold fractional shares might face challenges when transferring brokerage accounts, as only whole shares can be transferred. Any fractional shares would need to be liquidated, potentially triggering capital gains taxes. Additionally, fractional shares cannot be used for certain advanced investment strategies like writing covered calls or hedging. Another consideration is that some investors may prefer to hold complete shares for simplicity, especially in retirement accounts or long-term investment strategies. Fidelity's approach to fractional share trading is highly competitive compared to other brokers. It has no minimum purchase amount beyond the $1 requirement and allows access to nearly all exchange-listed stocks and ETFs. This broad access is appealing to many investors. However, all fractional share trades must be initiated via Fidelity's mobile app, which may be a limitation for users who prefer desktop trading. The introduction of fractional share trading aligns with a broader industry trend toward reducing barriers to entry for retail investors. It has been particularly appealing to younger demographics, with nearly half of Fidelity's fractional share clients falling between the ages of 18 and 35. This trend highlights the growing importance of accessibility and flexibility in modern investing. While fractional shares are an excellent tool for small-scale investors and those looking to gain exposure to expensive stocks, they may not be ideal for everyone. Understanding the nuances of this offering, including its tax implications and operational limitations, is crucial for making informed decisions. Fidelity's service is a solid choice for investors seeking low-cost, accessible, and flexible investment options.